Hello and welcome to the QuickTake series. QuickTakes are a brief informal commentary by sustainable and inclusive digital financial service experts on topical events and issues within the financial inclusion ecosystem. Enjoy.
So when we talk about agents, first of all, we have to think about Nigeria as a country, 774 local governments, and then we know that in terms of bank branches, we can't have bank branches everywhere because we've been challenged with this financial inclusion problem since the 1970s, and we've tried several initiatives in terms of trying to take it forward and provide access to financial market services to the entire nation. That's where we had, and then the concept of digital, in terms of making it a bit more affordable and distributable to the extent where we have more people with mobile phones than we have with bank accounts, made it another way to think about how to distribute financial services and other services in general. But now when we talk about agents, we first of all, we need to ask ourselves and think, do we have sufficient agents? Because we also need to understand the context and the environment in which we are. The consumers we're dealing with or we're trying to access or bring on board into the financial services ecosystem are already challenged in the sense where they have either sometimes lower financial literacy levels and lower literacy levels in general. And then they also have a large distrust for either financial institutions or even technology products and services in general. So some of these consumers will never on day zero be onboarded through a digital platform. So we're still going to need some form of face-to-face interaction and access, over-the-counter access for them to even get introduced to financial products and services before they begin to transform to digital products and services. And I guess in a way, we all went through that process when we started banking, because at some point in time we didn't have digital options. So we all still had to go to bank branches and interact and engage with banks. So whether you remember this from the days of having your tally number, even before online real-time banking started, or to what we have today where we have a digital bank, and end to end you can create a banking relationship without even stepping into a physical bank premises. So agents are there. So in terms of agents, I want us to think about the sufficiency in terms of numbers and distribution across the country. I want us to think about things like sustainability of agents and how do agents make money in some areas that, again, are not as sustainable as others, which is also the 60% or 50% of Nigeria that we classify as rural.
Don't forget to share, follow, and subscribe for more insightful content.